Hi everyone, I'm David Joshua. I would like to bring you to this watch that I first bought. It's the OMEGA Speedmaster 1861. The brand OMEGA actually appeals a lot to me. The variant that I bought is the Hasselite version. First watch that was worn on the moon is actually made by Hasselite instead of sapphire crystal. Let's dive straight to appreciating the watch.